Hi everyone, today's Food Friday is how to cook minced lamb curry. Tutorial by my mom. In a wok, add a couple of tablespoons of oil, or according to how you like your curry to be. More oil, less oil, is up to you. Here you can see that she's getting rid of the excess water from the washed minced meat and adding it to the wok. And you've got to cook the meat thoroughly until it turns brown. Make sure you cook it thoroughly. Here she's adding 2 tablespoons of ginger powder and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. She's going to mix that in to the minced meat and cook the meat. Add salt to taste. It's according to your taste, how you like your curry to be. Here you can see she's added 2 bay leaves and 2 cinnamon sticks, so that the smell of that raw meat goes away and gives a nice aroma to the curry. Keep stirring. So while the meat is cooking, get your half a pepper. She likes to use green peppers, but I prefer the red or yellow ones. So whichever color you like, add that. And you need 2 tomatoes. Here you can see when the meat has gone brown, she's adding the 1 large onion, sliced. And then stirring that in. So while that cooks, she's going to add 2 wooden spoons of curry powder. Pulsed one is the best. And 1 big wooden spoon of chili powder. Now you can add as much as chili powder as you want, just according to how spicy you like your food, but she just put 1 spoon in. After stirring that in, she adds the diced potatoes. Added the 2 tomatoes and half a pepper. And frozen peas. Stir it all in. Okay, this is completely optional. She's adding dried fenugreek leaves. You can add coriander or any type of garnishing that you like to put in. But my mom's added that. I'm just stirring it in. We do add coriander in the end, but I haven't put that in the video, guys, sorry. So yes, now she's going to add more salt because we're that type of people now. We love salt. Obviously, the amount of salt you put in and the amount of spice you put in is optional, completely how you like it. So here it is. This is great food, guys. It's like my childhood favorite. When I was younger, my dad used to cook it, and now they take turns, my mom and dad. So she's boil some water in a kettle, and she's gonna pour that kettle into a jug. Not kettle, sorry, the water into a jug, and then she's gonna add some of that into the pan. The reason you add water is so that the potatoes get cooked thoroughly, and the peas. And the only reason she likes to use freshly boiled is because obviously she feels like it's more pure and it makes the curry taste better. So if you haven't ever tried freshly boiled water in curry, try it. And now she's going to cover it with a lid, and you have to cook it for a further 15 minutes on a low flame so that everything gets cooked properly. And there you go, guys. Thank you for watching Food Friday. Please subscribe.